Okay, so there's Gideon, Rossi, Hatch is under the desk peeking out. There oh, there's Elle. She's our little peanut girl, our smallest, but the bravest. See if we can get Hatch to come out here. Come on, baby. There he is. Oh! Got the dogs barking in the background. Didn't think we needed those in the video. There he is. There's Hatch. And Gideon is off exploring the computer wires. Hi, Hatch.